If you use Lucidspark for brainstorming, planning, or team collaboration, one of the most useful features you can learn is how to add a comment to an object. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step so you can leave feedback on sticky notes, shapes, images, and other items inside your board. This is a simple skill, but it makes collaboration much easier because everyone can respond directly on the thing they're discussing. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Lucidspark board and find the object you want to comment on. This could be a sticky note, a shape, an image, or pretty much any item on the canvas. The important thing is to select the specific object first because Lucidspark attaches the comment to that object so your team knows exactly what you're referring to. Once you click the object, look for the toolbar that appears around it or near the top of the screen. In that toolbar, you will see the comment icon. Click that comment button to open the comment box. This is where you can type your feedback, question, suggestion, or note. Keep your comment clear and specific, so it's easy for other people to understand what you mean. After typing your comment, you have two ways to post it. You can click the post button or you can simply press enter on your keyboard. Either option will add the comment to the object right away. Once posted, the comment becomes part of the conversation on that item, so teammates can review it later and respond if needed. If you want to see comments that were already added, just click the comment icon on the object. That will show the existing discussion attached to it. From there, you can read the comments, follow the conversation, and reply if needed. This is especially useful when multiple people are reviewing ideas and leaving feedback in the same workspace. And that's really all there is to it. Select the object, click the comment icon, type your message, and post it. It's a quick and easy way to keep collaboration organized inside Lucidspark. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.